Today I'm taking a look at the pin connector and crimping tool kit. So here's our crimper. It's calling it the SNA 58B. Does have a nice crimping action on it. We do have an emergency release right there, so if we ever need to uncrimp, we can just push that lever up. And our jaws are labeled on that side, as well as with the gauge on that side. So it looks like it does come with some tweezers. Make it handy for holding on to tiny objects. And we have got our pins. So we got a variety of seals on here. We even have a stripper, and we have our disconnect tools. Everything does appear to be labeled on the top. And it looks like we do have both the male and female in here. So you can check to make sure that the pin you got is correct. So I've got some 16-AUG wire. Go ahead and attach one of these guys. It says that is good for 18 to 14 AUG. If you look closely, you can see that these seals are all a little bit different. So this one has 4 seals. This one has 3 seals. You're just going to want to match that up to whatever plug that you're trying to repair. So I'm going to put it so those little ears are going to be covering the seal. If you look closely, you can see that there are actually 2 steps to those jaws. So we want the small step to be on the small crimp. And then just give it a squeeze. There we go. We got that crimp is crimping onto the copper, and that crimp is crimping onto the seal. So that's going to hold everything together. You can see with this particular pin, we got these little flaps here on the sides. You just have to find one of these to match up. Looks like that one. So you push that down on the pin, then you can extract the pin, pop that out, and then the new pin will just snap right in. So if you've ever been working on a car and you found that a plug had a wire pulled out, a kit like this, it's going to be very nice to have.